Ukraine just deployed an AI-powered drone with 50-kilometer strike range. It operates autonomously, bypasses GPS jamming, and helps coordinate strikes deep inside enemy lines. This is a major evolution for battlefield AI. Here's why it matters now, more than ever. Coming up, Micron's AI-powered chip surge, the booming AI-generated news market, Bell's free AI research tool, and game-changing military drones. This is your essential roundup of the week in artificial intelligence. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Ukraine's new Pavuk Dobkina drone uses AI to map terrain, lock targets, and operate in radio silent mode. Already active on the battlefield, it's disrupting traditional air defense by targeting deep into enemy zones without human assistance. AI also fuels Micron's revenue boom. The company raised its Q4 2025 forecast by $500 million thanks to huge demand for AI memory, especially HBM and DRAM powering major AI servers like NVIDIA Blackwell. Micron now estimates $11.2 billion in revenue for Q4, with earnings per share up to 2,085. High bandwidth memory sales surged 50% in one quarter. The AI infrastructure boom is real, and memory is at its core. In other news, AI-generated journalism is growing fast. Platforms like OpenAI are automating news at scale, raising content output while also sparking debates about automation, ethics, and truth in media. Bell Canada is giving customers free access to Perplexity Pro for a full year. That's a major win for consumer AI research tools. Fast, factual results for any query. Smart move by a telecom embracing next-gen AI utility. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. Visit the link in the description and see why ClassKid believes every child is a genius. Here's the big picture. AI is redefining warfare, supercharging chip markets, reshaping journalism, and entering everyday consumer tools. From Ukraine's drones to Micron's boom, change is accelerating across industries. Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications so you always stay ahead of the curve. Comment below with your thoughts on today's stories. We'd love to hear from you.